What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. So if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram, okay? So ito yung isa sa pinaka-requested from JML fans. Itong trio performance pala ng JML together with Mr. Eric Santos during the New Gen Champs concert. Ang kinanta nila dito, it's all coming back. It's all coming back to me. Parang ganun, no? So anyway, yeah, it's all coming back with Mariel Montellano, Jem De La Serna, by Mariel Montellano, Jem De La Serna, and Eric Santos. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go.
There were nights when the wind was so cold, the body rose and I just listened to it ride outside the window.
Pang-contest din talaga to si Mr. Eric, no?
There were days when the sun was so cruel.
Ooh, nice.
And the tears turned to dust and I just knew my eyes were drying up forever. I finished crying the instant that you left.
Nice harmony, Mariel. Beautiful. Galing. Beautiful. Ay, naiwan si JM. Oh. I love it. Napaka-sport si JM, no? Nag-inarte din. Okay, I love the fact na parang sinabayan ni JM ng drama, no? Na, 'di ba? Hindi siya KJ, 'di ba? Gusto ko yung parang nagsiselos kuno siya, but hindi naman, no? Parang ano lang. The drama. Nice. Ito yung mga sports lang ba? No, mga sports lang. Oh, biglang nag-upbeat. Nag-iba ng time signature.
Some days it don't come easy, some days it don't come high, some days it don't come at all, and these are the nights that never end. Some nights you breathe in fire, and some nights you caught in lies, some nights you're like nothing I've ever seen before again. Maybe I'm crazy, but it's crazy and it's true.
Gusto ka rin yun, di ba? Nagparaya si Mr. Eric. Oh, medley pala to. Oh, okay. Okay, para siya naging mash-up, no? Mash-up, no? Back and forth sa kanta ng It's All Coming Back and I Do Anything for Love. And again, I would love to emphasize yung parang nag-giveaway si Mr. Eric, no? Parang nagpalit sila ng blocking ni Mariel because he knows na that's a duet song sa JML, no? Parang very professional and at the same time parang mas napaganda yung napaganda tingnan kasi nga may drama 'di ba sa stage. So that's a very professional manner.
So cold and
Galing talaga ni Mr. Eric, no? Bumawi si JM, oh. Nice. Mash up nga to eh. Beautiful. Galing lang tatlo. Ganda ng arrangement, no? Parang siyang ano, singing challenge. Beautiful. Nice. Nice performance. Etong performance na to, ipinapakita sa atin, no, that kahit sino man yung i-pair kay Mariel or kay JM or to the both of them, pwede. They can work with any artist. Given the skill set, yung blending, yung harmony, yung support, given those skills ng isang artist na meron sila, I think that they really can work with any artist. And Mariel has proven that nung unang part ng performance na to, nung sila ni Mr. Eric Santos sa It's All Coming Back, and support yung blending ni Mariel, yung harmony na ginawa niya, and it still sounds so good, no? Although wala naman yung like the kilig factor that they have with JM De La Serna, but I think they both can really work with any artist, okay? Solo, duet, trio, any artist, because of their versatility, no, in terms of individual skills that they have. So I think they'll do good, and hope you guys enjoy that one. And I really enjoy the fact na hindi KJ si JM, no, yung sabi ko kanina na very sports siya ba, tapos alam niya na mas ma-entertain yung tao if he does things na mga ganon, no? Hindi OA, no? Kasi may mga iba na parang KJ naman masyado, no? But JM really played along, no? And Mr. Eric also did his thing on stage, and shout out to Mr. Eric Santos. Also, itong si Mr. Eric Santos, no? I noticed and I realized na he can work with any artist as well, no? Recently nagduet siya kay Julian San Jose, which is very surprising, no? Na I really did not expect that to happen, but it happened, no? And for some reason it was very good thing, no, para sa akin, and bagay naman din yung boses nila ni Julian, and then now with Jamiel. So kudos to Sir Eric. And yeah, shout out sa lahat ng Jamiel fans there, and hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.